Low Poly Asset Pack, which comes with 1000 low poly 3D models. The models are asset browser ready to help you create huge detailed 3D low poly scenes and environments. The Low Poly Asset Pack is first being released with 1000 low poly 3D models. The product may be updated with new models in the future, so check the product page for the full number of models. Every 3D model is pre-set up in Blender's asset browser, with sorted catalogs and rendered thumbnails. Just set up the asset library in Blender's user preferences, and you can then open up the asset browser in any of your projects and drag and drop the models into your scenes to quickly fill your low poly environments. The product is first being released with the following catalogs: aircraft, animals, autumn, bathroom, beach, bedroom, boats, characters, city, construction, flags, food, holiday, home, kitchen, nature, office, playground, sci-fi, signs, vehicles, and weapons. There is also a free demo available on my Gumroad store which comes with 30 models. Check out the product with the links in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the model pack.